Alright, good day student. As you can see, what we have today is a polygon with a line CB. You are told that a straight line drawn from C through A is an angular bisector of angle BAH, and then find the value of x to 2 decimal places. So the first thing you have to do is to draw the line as stated. We are told that it's an angular bisector, which means it passed through A. So you use the ruler and then draw it. We draw it here. So we are told that it's an angular bisector. So it bisects AB into 2 equal angle. This is sketch. So the next thing is to do is for you to make some construction. Join AB, join HB. You join what? HB. This may not draw very well, but it is. So you join what? HB. This is your own construction, and then also join CH. Alright, join CH. So once you have done that, you obtain a value of this type. So from here we are told that what CH is what? A line drawn from C through A is an angular bisector, which means angle here, which is, if we say that angle here is alpha, it must be equal to alpha here. So, and because, let's call here Q, and because this line bisects angle BAH, and we know that AB is equals to what? AH, which is the side of a regular polygon. So once we know that this line bisecting the angle touches the line BH, must be a perpendicular line, because it bisects the angle, which means it divides angle into 2 equal parts. So once we have done that, the next thing we have to know is, because it divides the angle into 2 equal parts, which means BQ is equals to what? HQ. BQ is equals to HQ, since this angle are divided into 2 equal parts, and because AB is equals to AH, which is the side of a isosceles triangle, are equal, it follows that this line, that is this base HB, is also the base side of triangle CBH. Triangle CBH has what? Has base of what? BH. So because triangle CBH has side base of what? Has base of what? BH, as of triangle what? ABH. What does that mean? It means that a line drawn, because this is an external point, this is external point, and this line passes through A and bisects at this angle and then touches here, and because this is an external point, this length, this line CH perpendicular to HB, any line drawn from B to C must be equal to line drawn from H to what? C. What I'm saying that BC is equals to what? HC. That is what sides of isosceles triangle are equal. The sides of isosceles triangle are equal because line CQ bisect what? angle what? BAH. And because it bisect angle BAH, it also bisect angle what? BCH, because it is a perpendicular line. So what am I saying? I'm saying that this side is also equal to this side, which means, like, I draw a straight line continuous here. If I draw another straight line continuous here, angle here must be equal to 38 as well. I hope you are seeing it. If I draw it like I draw here, and I draw here a straight line continuous, this angle here must be equal to angle, let's call it here Z. If I call it Z, see, let's call it Z, so that ZHC must be equal to JBC. So I'm trying to tell you that CB is equals to CH. Since CH is an angular bisector of triangle BAH, in such that angle BAH is bisected by line CQ. Because AB is equals to AH, this angle bisector is perpendicular. It is perpendicular to line BH, and BH is also a base side of triangle BCH, and this is only a straight line that passes through them. So because of this straight line, and because of what, BQ is equals to BH, BQ is equals to H, BQ is equals to what? HQ, CH is equals to what? CB. That is my own explanation. So having learned it, let's proceed. The next thing you have to look into is to find the side BH. We know that here is X and here is X. That is the side of a regular pentagon. And then let us find the internal angle of a regular pentagon using n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. In this case, the side is X. How many sides does it has? The regular pentagon polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So have 5 minus 2 times 180 divided by 5. So that to get the what? To get the internal angle of what? Of the regular pentagon. So if we solve it, you have 108 degree. So from here, angle HAB, which is equals to 2 alpha, is equals to 108. Is equals to 108 degree. So let us find BH using cosine rule. Cosine rule, we have that BH squared is equals to S squared plus S squared minus 2S squared cos what? 108. So solve this. This will give us 2S squared in bracket 1 minus cos 108. So if you do solve it, solving all of them, you have 2.6180 from my calculator, 339 S squared. So that BH, finding the square root of both sides, is the square root of 2.618039 S squared. So solve it. If you do that, you have 1.61803x So we have gotten BH to be equals to what? 1.61803x. So we clean here. We now have BH to be 1.61803x. So the next thing is to consider triangle CBH. We can consider triangle CBH. If we draw this triangle, we have something like this. Here is C, here is equals to this side, is it not? So since here is equals to 120, 108, as you say, we forgot it to be 108. So let us find here these two angles. We don't know these two angles, beta and beta. So 2 alpha is equals to 108. Say 108 plus 2 beta is equals to 180. Sum of angles in the triangle. So 180 minus 108 will give us 72. So beta is equals to 72 divided by 2. We have what? 36. So angle beta is equals to what? 36. So we have here to be equal to 36 degree, which is equals to beta. Am I cleaning it? Sorry. 1 point what? 1.6100803x. So we have gotten what? This angle to be 36. So what again can we do? Then if we have so then let's find this angle here. To get this angle HBHB, I can call it here J. Angle HBJ is equals to 108, because total angle is 108 minus what? 36. So if you do that, you have 72. So this angle is 72. Total angle here is 108. You have this to be what? To be 38. So let us find this angle here. This implies angle CBQ is equals to 180 minus 38 plus what? 108. This total angle here, sorry here, this angle is 72, is it not? And here is 38. So to get this angle CBQ, so 180 minus 38 plus 72, we have that angle CBQ is equals to what? That will give us 80. So having gotten 80, the next thing you have to do is to use sine rule. Let us use sine rule to, this angle is 80 degree, here is also 80 degree, and we have that mind this J is for this side, here is H. So we have gotten this BH to be 1.61803x. So I forgot to tell you that CB is given as 24 cm. So CB is 24 cm, here is 24 cm. Because we are looking for S, we need a value to find X. So here is 24 cm, and here is also 24 cm. So how do we get X here? We can use sine rule to find X. So from sine rule, 80 plus 80 will give us what? 80 plus 80 will give us 160. 180 minus 160 will give us 20. So from here you have 1.61803x divided by sine 20 is equals to what? Is equals to 24 divided by sine 80. So this is what you will solve. Cross multiply and solve for what? And solve for x. So from here you have 24 sine 120 divided by 1.61803 sine 80, and this is equals to x. So solve it, use your calculator. So if you do that, you have x to be approximately equals to 5.1514 cm. So you are asked to leave your answer to 2 decimal places, which means s is equals to 5.15 cm to what? 2 decimal places. So that is the value of the side length of the given polygon. S is equals to 5.15 cm to 2 decimal places. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, click the subscription button to encourage me for more videos for your views. If you haven't subscribed to our website, go to our website at www.manzananotes.com and click the subscription button. Buy books, ebooks in our ebook sections. That will help you a lot to do more in mathematics. So share and like, click the notification button. Whenever we have new update, we send you a text. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.